Millie, dearest Millie.
Freddie, faithful Freddie.
I had to see you. I know, for I am a lonely footman. My heart is yours.
And mine is yours.
Millie is a housemaid, pure and sweet. That is her Freddie, he's rather neat. Though they'll work as servants all their days, they'll be happy because it pays.
Frederick! Frederick! Where is that lazy footman?
Duty calls.
This way, Master Flute. It's time for my music lesson. Millie, you may go.
Yes, miss. Music ain't the only thing they're playing at.
At last, my precious golden miracle. We are alone.
Oh, Florimon, how shall we go on? You are but an impoverished music instructor. And I, the orphan heiress to millions. Aunt Diamante will never approve of our betrothal.
I fear you are right, my miracle.
Why do I hear no music coming from the library?
Aunt Diamante!
Quickly, miracle, play, play.
Much better!
I believe we are now in tune, Master Flute.
Indeed, we are, Miss Mayfair.
Mimosa Meadows.
Floyd Bright, whatever are you doing here?
I followed you all the way from the country. I wanted to make sure you'd be happy here at Mayfair Meadows.
Well, you're so sweet.
Oh, shucks, Mimosa.
Well, don't you worry, Floyd, because all these frills and finery, they don't suit me. I miss my piglets and my ducklings and you.
Oh, shucks.
We're all home, where the country's all from, and the cows and the chickens all play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and she can see Floyd Bright all day.
I'm worried you'll get lonely here. Bills and finery aren't suiting you.
Well, I got my cousin Marigold to keep me company.
Mimosa! Where are you?
I'm sorry, Floyd. I must fly my Aunt Diamante glitter on a call.
I'm Dunstan Darkstorm, and I'm back.
Dunstan Darkstorm was a rat, E-E-E-E-O, and what a rat he really was, E-E-E-E-O, with a bad deed here and a bad deed there, here a deed, there a deed, everywhere a bad deed, Dunstan Darkstorm was a cat, E-E-E-E-O.
Oh, Freddie.
Oh, Florimon.
Oh, Floyd.
Revolting. Nothing sickens me more than true love. My dastardly work is set out for me, I see.
All around the furniture is a bill and chase sweet Millie. He thought it was great fun until pop, she knocked him silly. Dunstan's in the parlor with Mari. Dunstan's in the parlor, I know. Dunstan's in the parlor with Mari. And The villain's in the house. The villain's in the house. Look out, Mimosa dear, the villain's in the house. The scoundrel grabs her hand. The scoundrel grabs her hand. Look out, Mimosa dear, the scoundrel's got your hand.
Thrice foiled, thrice scorned. Nobody but nobody crosses Dunstan Darkstorm and gets away with it. Oh, where did it go?
I should have never believed you when you said my Freddie had a message for me. And I knew Florimond hadn't called to me like you said.
And I knew you were lying when you said Floyd was in the garden waiting for me.
Clever, aren't I? You're a bad man. Despicable.
Rotten to the core.
Oh, you were the one sneaking out behind Madame Glitterata's back. And now, my trio of oh-so-modest maidens, you will see just how foolish you have been. You wouldn't.
You can't leave.
The horse! Not the railroad tracks! But of course, my dewy blossoms.
Down by the train tracks near the Mayfair Meadows. See the lovely heroines all in a row. See the wicked villain tie them tight with scout knots. Puff, puff, toot, toot, away they'll go.
You're a bad man. And now, for my most dastardly deed yet. You, the three lovesick Lotharios, will have to stand by and watch as their sweethearts catch the next train out of town. You wouldn't?
Horse!
Horse!
Horse! You cad!
You cad!
You cad! You villain!
You villain!
Villain! You evil doer!
Evil doer!
Evil doer!
Aren't I?
Let's my Millie go, you wicked man!
Untie my marigold at once, you vile villain!
When Mimosa goes, you swine!
Not a chance. I'm having way too much fun seeing all 6 of you suffer. Unfortunately, I must now go and plan even more dastardly deeds, for a swine's work is never done. There's so many people out in the world trying to do good. I must be alert every minute. There's not enough time. You can only save one of us. Working together, you can save one of us.
The other two must be sacrificed.
No!
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 1,000 times no!
It's the only way. You must.
But Millie!
Marigold!
Look, guys, we're on a time schedule, so can you just pick one and save her?
We cannot!
We cannot!
We cannot!
Yes, you can. You must.
But we won't!
But we won't!
We won't!
Okay, well, if you guys can't decide, we'll let the audience decide. By round of applause, who A lowly footman? An impoverished music instructor? And good gracious, farm boy? It's true. Oh, well. Why didn't you just tell me? Oh, silly girl. All I want is for you to be happy.
What? You wanted to be happy? How could you want such a revolting thing?
Perhaps you would like to wait on the tracks for the next train and figure it out.
Have mercy, Madam Glitterata.
Audience, what do you think? Should I show him mercy? Should I be just as nasty as he is? Just as I thought. We'll see that that's handled as soon as the curtain comes down. In the meantime, there's dusting to be done, Millie.